Welcome back to another video. Every parent secretly wonders, am I doing enough for my child? At ages 5 to 6, your child's brain is forming habits that last a lifetime. The good news is, you don't need pressure, tutors, or expensive programs. You just need the right daily activities, done with love and consistency. Backhand index pointing, right if you care about your child's growth and want simple, proven parenting tips. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss future videos. Number 1, ask thinking questions instead of giving answers. Ask questions. When your child shares a story or faces a small problem, ask, why do you think that happened? Or what would you do next? This teaches your child how to think, not just what to think. Over time, this builds strong reasoning, better language skills, and confidence in expressing ideas. Number 2, puzzles and brain games. Puzzles and simple games challenge the brain in healthy ways. Jigsaw puzzles, memory cards, and board games help children learn focus, patience, and problem solving. Let your child try on their own before helping. A little struggle is where real learning begins. Number 3, learn through daily life. Some of the best learning happens outside the classroom. While cooking, shopping, or walking, ask your child to count objects, compare sizes, or predict what comes next. These everyday moments build math skills, logical thinking, and curiosity naturally. Number 4, creative and imaginative play. Creativity is a powerful sign of intelligence. Drawing, building with blocks, and pretend play help children express emotions and ideas freely. Avoid correcting their imagination. When children feel safe to create, confidence and problem-solving skills grow. Number 5, physical games with rules. Movement feeds the brain. Games like Simon Says, hopscotch, or follow the leader improve memory, listening, and self-control. Active children often focus better and learn faster. You are not raising a test score, you are raising a human being. Simple, loving activities done every day can shape a smarter, more confident child. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another parent who might need this today.